Hey guys, what if I told you this video isn't real?
Yes, exactly. So we are using an AI avatar over here, and that we have created using this platform, HeyGen. So we sign in using Google, and we can go through these initial few steps that will help you get ready with this platform. So you can either follow through this or skip for now, and you have to give answers to some of these questions. This is just for once because this is the first time we are logging in this platform, and now we will create a digital avatar for us. So let's get started and choose a style. So here we will go with the still option because we don't really want to move. So we select it accordingly, and then next we need to select some instructions. So we will go with text instructions that works for us, and just go through these instructions. Here it has asked us to upload a 2 minutes video. So we have recorded and we are uploading it accordingly. Let's ensure that we have followed these instructions here, and if your footage looks good, just select that. Next thing, you need to record a consent so that it ensures no one is misusing it. It will take some time to validate your consent, and finally you can upload this video. So right now the video is getting uploaded to create your digital avatar, and now it seems like your avatar is created. But just give it a name and wait for some time. It will not be ready so soon. So be patient. It is just 2% ready right now. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. So meanwhile, we can create a small script that we will use to create a reel using this avatar, right? So we have a script ready. Let's keep it at side. And after 5 to 6 minutes, we can see that our avatar is ready. So let's create a video now. We will select avatar video, and we want to create a portrait video. So here we first need to replace our avatar, and we will select our own custom avatar that we just created, right? So let's copy and paste the script over here and click on play. It will again take some time, so be patient, right? Meanwhile, we can give it a name, and after some time you can see in preview, you don't really see any animation, but in order to get an animation, we need to submit the video. Here we are selecting the options, whatever we can, and let's click on submit. Right, so it is submitting the video right now. It has started processing. 40% is ready, 48% is ready. So it will again take a few minutes. So be patient. But again, this is really fast, right? So now we have a 25-second video ready, just like this.
Well, at least I'm not the one actually speaking. Instead, what you see is an AI-generated avatar of me.
Go try it out and subscribe to my channel for more such content.